So today we're going to be working on the Iztoss universal speedometer. Got it on Amazon for, I think it was 38 or 42 bucks or something like that. I'll put a picture of it on the screen just so you can see what it is. I wanted to go over just because I feel like a lot of people are having issues with it. I did too. One, I didn't get a wiring diagram when I bought it, so I had to kind of figure that out, which was kind of a pain. So I've gotten all of that written down that I'll show you guys to make your life easier. Got written down for all the wiring. I found that some of it was incorrect, so if your diagram is telling you something that it's not, this could be what you're looking for. So I'll just go through it so you know for sure that you're seeing everything correctly, because my handwriting is terrible. So here we go. Red is powered to the speedo all the time. You've got green for the ground, and then you've got the black wire for power while it's running, and then you've got blue-white for the gas gauge. My bike doesn't have a gas gauge, so I think I just grounded out that wire. And then the light blue is for your right turn signal. The orange is for your left turn signal. You've got brown-white for your light signal. So if my bike, the lights are always on, so I don't have to worry about that. But if your bike, you have to turn your lights on, which is pretty unusual for motorcycles. That's what that's for. It will let you know that your lights are on. And then blue is for the high beam signal. And then over here on the right, I've got black, and yellow is for your tach or your RPM wire. And that all is a 9-pin connector. What I ended up doing was my old Speedo had a 9-pin connector, so I was able to just hook these all up to my old connector, which was really freaking convenient. Obviously, I had to rearrange where the wires were in the 9-pin connector and sync all that up, but once you get that figured out, it's really easy. And then you've got a 3-pin connector, which is the speed sensor, so that's just a plug and play. You know, the Speedo here, it's got actually, you can probably just see it. So right here, the Speedo has a 3-pin connector, and then it comes with this sensor right here, and that's got a 3-pin connector. So those just plug right in. So that's really easy. You don't have to do anything there. And then the final plug is a 6-pin connector, and that's for all your gears. So mine actually doesn't have any gear indicators. I just have a neutral indicator, so it's pretty easy for me. And again, the wiring diagram told me that, let's see what it was. Yeah, white and yellow, it was telling me that was neutral, but I found that to be wrong. It was like 3rd gear or something, I can't quite remember. But so I found that red-green is actually what neutral is. So that might be the same for you. And so yeah, don't trust the wiring diagram, especially for the 6-pin connector. The easiest way is you just ground each wire and then figure out what gear corresponds with that color. And again, neutral I found to be red-green, probably the same for you. So that is it for all the wires. Hopefully that helps you out. Speedo looks like. You turn it on, it sweeps like that. And so this is how I know I've got it set up right. I'm in neutral, so it's showing that I'm in neutral. The battery, it's showing that my battery's low. It's just because once you start it, that'll go away, unless your battery's actually bad. And then this is what I was talking about with that wire, the fuel gauge wire. I think I need to put some sort of resistance to get it stop blinking, because I just have it grounded out and it's not doing anything. So that's going to be my guess, is you need to put some sort of resistance on that wire to make it think that, you know, that it's actually reading something. And then you've got your speed here, which, you know, I'm not moving, so we can't really get that. And then this is just going to be blank for me too, because I don't have a gear indicator, which I'm fine with. And then, yeah, you've got your odometer here. And so let's just make sure that everything's working. So we'll test the turn signals. I got those hooked up right. There's left turn signal, sweet. There's right turn signal, okay, and then high beam, sweet. And then as you can kind of see the outline right there, that's the light signal if you've got that hooked up. Again, my lights are always on, as you can kind of see, so I don't have to worry about that. The only thing I need a signal for is my high beam, which you can see works right there. So that's what it should look like. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. It's definitely a pain figuring out because it comes with no instructions. So figuring out all the wiring can be super annoying. Yeah, so just feel free to comment if you need any help. I'm happy to try and help you out.
Yeah.